This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ka Expert Committee on Reservation Policy Keladapan IT ya ka Kaiphod jongka syaka Sorkar Jilla la ong ba pol lingdo Menteri Badai Kemi ya ka Tanat Social Welfare but nong aiktiin ka Sorkar MDA 2 ha ka khatlai tarik ujiliu arhajar arpusan. Laong ba ya kanika pang laya kren ha ka jingelang kenhun menteri ha ka teka sngi ha ka balapatha ya uba DP Waklang IAS Chief Secretary bat ki officer rangba ka Sorkar Jilla ban kemi bnia ya ka Kaiphod haswa ban ra ya kren ha ka jingelang kenhun menteri. Ondala dep na ka jingelang kenhun menteri ya ka teka Kaiphod on sawanra hayeng Dorbar tauan ka Jilla kata ha Dorbar Synrai ka ban salong ha unai lur menta usnem. Ka Kaiphod lakmi lenti ban ay ka jing snguthu ka basyay halor ka bha thongkam bat ki benta na ka benta ka laway ya ka committee ban pet benya ya ka jing dawa penbet ya ka state reservation policy lakli da justice retired mul chan guard ha ka khat artarik unailur arhajar apulai da ka Sorkar Jilla hadin ka jing ki sha thangan da uba Arden Miller Basayamot MLA ka nongkrem but president ka voice of the people party but yo jing kershan ru na ki babun ki benta.
The reservation policy committee of officials which were identified by government of Meghalaya. All these members of the expert committee are from outside Meghalaya to ensure that they come up with an actionable plan of action. The report has now been received by government of Meghalaya. It is now incumbent that the government studies this report. So we have authorized the Chief Secretary of the State with senior officials to study the report. It is voluminous, a very bulky report, and this report will now we'll have a summary of the report. This summary of the report will be placed before the cabinet, and the report will then be placed on the table of the State Assembly by the Assembly session scheduled for September 2025.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.